on the staging lane. Opens, we need you on the staging lane. It'll be a green, white, checkered practice session. Green, white, checkered practice session.
Group 3. Group 3. You want to stay in here?
Green, white, checkered practice session for all divisions. Opens, we need you there now.
It's going to be a little bit.
Opens, we need you there now.
That's what he said. It's warm right here. I don't leave her by 9:30. I'm going to be oh, did you sleep in today? I was up at 6:30. Oh, yeah, you were up, GA. Yeah, it's hard. Looking for face pounds?
What do you want? I smell bad vibes over there. You're giving off bad vibes.
Pass them out like Halloween candy.
Yeah, come on. Found it. Oh no, I got stuck.
Yeah, where are you
Here we
going to
go with group number 1.
Here to talk to you.
Sure.
How was your day?
Number 5,
Good.
Georgia Gold Boy.
I got
And the
new
number
perfume,
5.
some flowers, a Starbucks. I got all kinds of nice things for my birthday.
A Starbucks?
Yeah, that's a birthday present. That,
Don't girls get that every day?
what?
Don't girls go and get that every day?
Yeah, we do. Don't girls go and get that every day?
Yeah, but why do you guys, why is that a birthday present?
Because someone went and got it for me. I didn't have to acquire it for myself.
Oh.
Yeah.
Who got it?
What?
Who got it?
Amy did.
Oh. Did you get cake?
No cake yet. I had to come watch you race. Yeah.
Where's the party at?
Tomorrow, I think.
We should all go to the pit.
We should all go to the pit.
Yep.
You want to race me at the pit?
Yep.
Burdett passes out of that group, jumps into 4th.
That'd be fun, to be honest.
11.033. Kate Bumble around 11.045. Carson Bumble around 11.048.
Oh my god, can I drink that, please?
That's 4th and 6th. Brent Cruz onto the racetrack now. Okay. Case. Get the best. You got
It's got the donut.
155
degrees.
That's not good.
You go more or less?
Actually,
More.
Tough break. Tough break.
Your foot off the brake.
I know. It's hanging on the brake. I know. What are you warming the brake pedal up?
Yeah.
Putting heat in the road?
They're going to need those.
Get ready for the night.
Yeah.
Probably come off cooler than it goes on. Did he put his foot on the brake?
You're fastest on the last lap.
Oh,
It was only like 300s faster than the one you ran on the top. It was only like 300s faster than the one you ran on the top. You ran a 706, a 706, and
Next
a
group on the
671.
racetrack. 14 of Ethan Burdett along with Burdett.
Is his name really Clydesdale? Like the horse?
Bumble ran on
Kind of awesome. The top of 1.2 still may work. See, it didn't run it that good and it was still fast.
Open your mouth. Let me measure your mouth.
Measure my mouth?
I mean, degree your mouth.
Degree my mouth.
Can you see? Is that hurting
And
the
the camera just exploded.
600 micros to staging. 600 micros to staging for heat races. We've got a pair of 777s on the front row. On the inside is Curry on the outside.
It's like lap 4, probably like took off.
It's a 6. You don't have to re-roll.
It is a 6. It is not a 0. I think you're going to still... He's trying to figure out where he's going to start because he knows he won the last time out.
Dad,
Yo!
can you get my headphones out of the car?
No, why?
Is it going actual headphones?
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
I was raised with headphones.
Battery in this thing, you can run a freaking.
What would you listen to?
I don't know.
Gotta get you a good playlist.
I have a playlist.
Kids Pop.
Yep.
SpongeBob. SpongeBob.
And guess who's featured on it?
I could sell that.
Kevin's featured on
Game
it.
over.
It's Kevin's unreleased rap songs. Pretty fire.
I think Tristan raps probably. Tristan got a Spotify, right?
I don't know, maybe.
Got a SoundCloud. Just be smart to start. Just take what they'll give you and then go from there. It'll probably take it a lap to clean up, but if they all go to the bottom, I mean, get as much as you can that first rip around there, you know what I mean? It'll be easier while they're bunched up if you can do it. Like all your pace laps, just get up there and try to clean it up, you know what I mean? Just try to buzz the tires and stuff and try to get all the dust all cleaned up. That end don't look too bad. This end's just kind of dirty. cleaned up. Like it was, like you saw, he could keep up with you up there almost. You know what I mean? It's just this end was junk. But it just like that one time you got in and missed it and then panicked with her. But the only reason you didn't make speed was because he was up there in front of you too.
So I think him getting up there in front of you kind of killed the plan.
Yeah, you just got to get it. Like something like that, it's going to take a couple laps to blow it off.
Yeah, Brendan just started first, finished first.
That's all it's going to be. I mean, you pretty much you just had to make the decision at some point that either you're going to win or sell out to win and take whatever you got. You know what I mean?
You did good though, kiddo.
Which you could have got. If that doesn't go flat, you were a tenth better than him, like a lap.
The last few
Like,
laps
you were going to get close. It just, even if you get to him, getting by him was going to be a whole nother ball game.
Thank you.
I think he closed his eyes from the time he got off of 2.
Yeah, he did. He said, he goes, I just said it. I was like, buddy, that was terrible. He's like, I know, I'm sorry.
That was the biggest panic moment I've
Yeah.
seen him in a long time.
He's like, I knew I was stuck.
The thing about it is it's like, it's probably the first proof we've gotten to where now he's gotten used to being
Yeah.
further up.
Yeah.
And he kind of is, that was his first like, oh shit, I'm not going to get there.
Yeah. Yep.
And he kind of freaked out.
Yeah, man.
It was just hard.
I mean, it just needed 2 or 3 guys to get up there and clean it off.
Yeah.
The problem is this is the first time the outlaw carts haven't even touched
Yeah.
it. Like at least the open guys
Yeah,
used to
would-
get up
would
there
dust
a little
it off.
bit. Like you needed is somebody needed to roll out here with the blower one time
Yeah.
and kill it. Or
Well, they
I'm
didn't
gonna
even
tell
do
you,
that
man.
at all, did they?
If you'd have told me that we would have hovered the bottom for the whole main, every car, I'd have been like, no way.
Yes, I want that back. No.
Talk about that.
Okay, everybody looking?